Founded in 1953, Xinxiang 100% Electrical and Mechanical Company Limited covers an area of 30,000 square meters, and annual output is over 1,000 such transfer cards. With high R&D capability, our company is a collection of research, design, manufacture, sale, installation, and service as one of professional manufacturer and export of material handling equipment. We have passed over 40 patents and are the owner of Henan Province Science and Technology Innovative Enterprise, Material Handling Equipment of China Top 10 Enterprise, etc. The production process covers from cutting, feeding, to quality testing, including steel plate pre-treatment, CNC cutting blanking, shaping, welding, polishing, spray pre-treatment, assembling, installation and debugging of electrical appliance, appearance spring processing, load test, running test, etc. Our business range includes AGV, trackless transfer cart, rail transfer car, industrial tow trailer, and customized other material handling system and parts. We have obtained CE certificate, ISO 9001 certificate, SASL certificate, SGS certificate, etc. Our material transfer trolleys have been exported to over 60 countries and regions. Due to excellent quality, competitive price, and premium after-sales service, we have won strong support and trust from worldwide customers. Warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.